Hi everyone, it's Chris Bryant here from OPMC, and thanks for tuning into another episode of our channel. Today we're going to talk about 9 Odoo accounting basics that your WooCommerce store needs to track. No matter if you're making millions with your custom cat furniture online store or a few thousand a month dropshipping iPhone cases, you need accounting. If you want a business that thrives and grows, you must always know where your money is. Without that knowledge, you risk mismanaging the funds needed to pay employees and keeping those digital lights on. You know, an excellent way to get started with accounting for your online business is using Odoo. This is a powerful software that can track all your sales and expenses. It really took off during COVID. Even with this improved workflow, it helps to know a little about the crucial accounting data you should be tracking. So here are 9 basics that your e-commerce business needs to track. Number 1 is start with quality accounting software. Gone are the days of trying to reconfigure an Excel sheet or break endless pencil tips on a long form log. Although I suspect anyone watching this probably hasn't used a pencil in a while though. Quality accounting software like Odoo has advanced features designed to automate mundane tasks while tracking all of your financial activities. With Odoo, you can easily integrate branded sales orders, complex inventory management, and several other vital functions all inside your WordPress WooCommerce website. If you choose a different form of accounting software, don't go with a solution that only offers reporting or creating invoices. You want something that actively tracks sales, expenses, and inventory. Number 2 is maintaining cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your small business online. Without the cash to make a purchase, you could run out of inventory or even not be able to pay for hosting. When you take the time to discover how cash moves through your e-commerce shop, you help prevent liquidity issues. Start by getting a second bank account for your business. The only money moving through this account should be related to your online store. Then it's just a matter of tracking when cash comes in so you can pay expenses and other needs on time. Number 3 is keeping track of inventory. Inventory management is 100% crucial to maintaining a profitable storefront. Not 80% crucial, it's 100% crucial, I'm telling you. Without knowing where your stock levels are, you can quickly run out of purchasable items whenever your demand spikes. Imagine preparing for Black Friday all year round, only to run out of that customizable winter glove you sell in the first 2 hours. Then what are you going to do? Instead of experiencing massive profits, you'll be scrambling to make up lost time. So Odoo helps track your inventory and its costs for purchasing, shipping, and storing, all the factors necessary for measuring profit. Better yet, using the OPMC for WooCommerce plugin by OPMC ensures automatic communication between your website, supply chain, and accounting software, giving you real-time data to make decisions. Number 4 is COGS, not the ones on a car, cost of goods sold. Changing the price tag for the privately built PCs you sell online is never easier than with Odoo. Knowing where to set that price point is the challenge. COGS, or cost of goods sold, informs how you price your products. With Odoo for WooCommerce, you can track all the costs associated with your product. For example, if it costs $10 to purchase one product from a warehouse, $5 on average for shipping that product. Not in Australia though, it costs a fortune here. $2 for handling the product, 75 cents for custom marketing materials to ship with the product. Your cost of goods sold would be $17.75 per product. Wow, I'm a genius. If you want to earn a 40% profit on every product, you must price it at $29.58 per item. Odoo will also help track these expenses at a broader scale for seasonal and annual taxes. Number 5 on our list is tracking regular expenses. The beauty of running an online business is the ease of getting into the market. You don't need to pay expensive rent on a physical storefront, electricity, heating and trash pickup, all of that stuff. However, you have some regular expenses that must be accounted for through Odoo. Now, these could include insurances, utilities, loan payments, salaries, website and domain hosting, marketing, email campaigns. The list goes on, exhausting, right? Without proper accounting software though, through Odoo for WooCommerce, you could quickly run into a cash flow problem. That is not a good thing. You must have a timetable of when money comes in and out, and knowing your expenses is an essential step in that process. Pro tip, fixed expenses are those regularly scheduled payments of roughly the same amount you can expect to pay. Variable expenses change from month to month. You can estimate these expenses by taking an average of the previous month's expenses. So number 6 on our list is, where is break even? Where do you begin to make a profit out of all of this, right? We're in it to make money, surely. It starts where you cover all expenses and cost of goods sold. The break-even point of your e-commerce shop is the amount of sales dollars you need to earn to cover all expenses. For example, you run a dropshipping e-commerce business focused on selling Australian-made jewelry to UK and American markets. Let's say your monthly expenses are, $4,835.24. To maintain running your business, you must sell enough products to cover producing them, which is the cost of goods sold, plus the $4,835.24 in expenses and any leftover labor costs that you might have for employees. Let's say that the total is somewhere around $7,250. If you're selling jewelry at an average of, say, $95, the profit margin works out at 40%. I have to calculate the profit per item. The sale price of the item, well, that's $95. You got your profit margin of 40% on the sale price, and the profit per item is the sale price times the profit margin. To calculate the number of products needed to sell, well, we take our total expenses of $7,250, we take our number of products, which is the total expenses divided by profit per item. Now, if you didn't get all of that, it's all written down in the blog post we made for this video on woocommerce.opmc.com.au. But we'll just take a shortcut and let's calculate it. So to cover $7,250 in expenses at a 40% profit margin for items valued at $95 each, you'd need to sell approximately 191 products. This will ensure your total profits from those sales meet or exceed the expense amount. After you reach that point, you are earning pure profit, some of which you get to keep. Which brings me to number 7, taxes. WooCommerce has automated tax calculations through any number of plugins. Using Odoo allows you to track things like the VAT for international sales, sales tax for customers based on their region, annual taxes for your e-commerce business, and quarterly taxes for your small business. Now, these figures are next to impossible to track on your own without some form of advanced accounting solution. If you're still using a pencil, we need to start the video again and refresh your memory. There are so many laws and regulations that dictate taxes that you want help to keep up because you're doing other stuff like making money. Odoo for WooCommerce updates in line with any software integrations or regional regulations. That'll save you a ton of money and headaches come tax season. Number 8 on our list is plan for emergencies. Well, with Odoo you get customizable reports. That data is what you use for decision making. If you run a small business, you must plan for emergencies. Custom reports give you the power to make those types of decisions. Everything from losing all your employees to issues in the supply chain to getting a spike in chargebacks can lead to an emergency. And if you think it won't happen to you, be warned. all of a sudden those profits you work so hard to achieve go out the digital window and out of your bank account window too. With Odoo, the information you need to adjust your profit for emergencies is available with the click of a button. Number 9 on our list is the balance sheet. This is the last necessary accounting basic you need to track for your online business. A balance sheet provides an overview or snapshot of your e-commerce store's financial health. This will include assets like cash, accounts receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses. It's going to include liabilities like accounts payable, expenses and debt. Equity includes owner's capital, retained earnings and stock. There's also amortization and depreciation, loans payable, customer deposits or unearned revenue. And unless you have a background in accounting, which most of us don't, these figures take a lot of time to compile. Not for you though. You have Odoo that can generate a balance sheet in no time, so you can talk to your business partners and stakeholders or secure a loan. Well, let's wrap this up, and why not, just for fun, we'll put a little plug for OPMC software. Not like we haven't been already doing that already. Your financial health is crucial to running an e-commerce business. Odoo for WooCommerce is the number one plugin to help achieving that. This easy-to-use plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress and your customized WooCommerce setup. It actively synchronizes product details, point-of-sale enhancements, business reporting, real-time data, and so much more. We have regular updates to the software, and most recently, we've been working on some improvements to the synchronization, and it's really running really nice and smoothly now. So visit our plugin shop today, take advantage of an automated solution for tracking all the necessary financial points your e-commerce business needs to grow. Seize your profitability and download Odoo for WooCommerce today. Well, that's enough plugs for me for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a big thumbs down and tell us why. And please, as always, if you can subscribe to our channel to keep updated on what we're doing and getting the best e-commerce tips and hacks and tricks, please do so. We'd love to have you on board, and it's a big encouragement for us as well to grow our little channel into a more useful resource for you and your e-commerce business. Right, that's it for me for today. Thanks everyone.